9 experienced hikers went into the mountains. But what was found later was so disturbing that even today, no one can fully explain it. This is the Dyatlov Pass Incident. In 1959, a group of skilled hikers set out into the freezing Ural Mountains of Russia. They were led by a young and experienced student named Igor Dyatlov. These weren't beginners. They were trained, prepared, and knew how to survive in extreme conditions. Their goal was simple: reach a remote mountain and return safely. At first, everything seemed normal. They laughed, took photos, and documented their journey through the snow. But as they moved deeper into the mountains, something changed. Then suddenly, they disappeared. Days passed with no contact. So a search team was sent to find them. What they discovered first was the tent. But something was very wrong. The tent wasn't torn apart from the outside. It had been cut open from the inside, as if they had escaped in a hurry or in fear. Outside the tent, there were footprints. They led away from the campsite into the freezing wilderness. But many of them were barefoot. Some were wearing only socks. Why would experienced hikers leave their shelter like that, in deadly cold? As rescuers followed the tracks, they found the first bodies. 2 of them lay near a forest, barely clothed, huddled beside the remains of a small fire. It looked like they had tried to survive. But the mystery only deepened. Further into the snow, more bodies were discovered. And this time, the injuries were far more disturbing. Some had broken ribs. Others had crushed skulls. But strangely, there were almost no external wounds, as if something incredibly powerful had hit them from the inside. One of the hikers was even missing a tongue. And if that wasn't enough, tests later found traces of radiation on some of their clothes. At this point, nothing made sense. What could have caused something like this? An avalanche? A secret military experiment? Or something unexplained?